Eyup! I'm going to show you how to write, install, and use functions in Minecraft. If you came to this video because of a specific problem, feel free to skip ahead to the chapter you need, and if that doesn't answer your question, I would be happy to help you out in the comments. Functions are a very helpful tool when working with commands and datapacks. They allow you to save a series of commands to a single custom command that you can run in-game. To get started writing your own functions, you'll need a text editor. I would personally recommend using Notepad++, download link in the description, but any text editor like Notepad or TextEdit will work as well. So say I wanted this function to set the time of day, put me in adventure mode, and cause 3 random villagers to atone for their sins. To do this, I would write a single command on each line in the order that I want the game to run them. Bear in mind that all the commands will run in the same game tick. If you need to double check that one of your commands is going to work, you can try typing it in-game, and if it works, copy and paste it into your function. Make sure you delete the slash at the start if you do this. If you want to label anything or write anything that you want the game to ignore, you can use a hash to turn the entire line into a comment. Once you have finished with your function for now, go ahead and save it as a .mc function file in any place where you can easily find it. If you're not using Notepad++, you might need to save it as a .txt and then rename it to .mc function. So, you've got your function file, but now we have to install it so that it can be used in-game. For Minecraft to read function files, they need to be saved in a datapack. Congratulations, you have reached the most boring part of the tutorial. That's right, it's file time! The first step is to navigate to your Minecraft folder. If you don't know how to do that, that's fine. Start the game, head to Resource Pack menu, and click Open Pack Folder. From there, you can get to your Minecraft folder. Once you're here, go to Saves, and then click on the save file of a world that you want to add your function to. Then, open up the datapacks folder for that world. This is where you're going to build your datapack. Firstly, create a new folder with any name you like. This will be what your datapack will be called. Open it up and create a folder inside it called Data. Inside that, create another folder and call it whatever you want. And then inside that, create another folder called Functions. Go ahead and grab your .mc function file from before and plonk it into this functions folder. You can put as many functions as you want here, but wait a minute! We haven't added the most important part of the datapack, that being the .mcmeta file. To make that, head back into your text editor and create a new file. Then head to the description of this video and copy and paste this text. And also like and subscribe while you're down there. And paste it into your text file. If you're going to be playing in 1.18.2, you can leave this how it is. But if you're going to be playing in an earlier or later version of the game, you might need to change this number. Save this in the folder of your datapack, right next to the data folder, and call this file pack.mcmeta. If you followed all of that, you now have a datapack that will allow you to run your function file as a command. To run your command, type in /function and any functions that you have will appear here as an option. Once you run that command, all of the commands in your function will be run at the same time. If you want to change anything in your function, you can edit it at any time with your text editor. Remember that you need to edit the function inside your datapack rather than in any other location that you may have saved it. Once you have made any adjustments, run the command /reload and your changes will take effect next time you run the command. And that's how you make and use functions in Minecraft. If you want to see an example of how functions can be used, check out this video here. Anyways, adios.